Hi everyone, welcome back to CinemaSpace4K. Today we are going to review this Sony 10,000 mAh power bank. In fact, this is the first Sony product we are reviewing on this channel. Let's see how it looks and works. So without wasting much time, let's get started. Okay, here's the box the power bank comes in. There are some brandings and the 10,000 mAh written on it. There's pretty much nothing on the back and the sides, just the Sony branding and the portable charger. You can see some information here and also a USB cable. So that means our power bank is included with a USB cable. Okay, first thing we saw on the package is the Sony power bank itself. It is a nice and compact power bank. We have ordered the black color, however we got the white version. Let's place the power bank to the side and look what inside. Okay, there is only a USB cable, nothing else. Here we get some nice quality USB cable. This is a USB-A and micro USB interface. Both have a blue accent, which is nice. Let's place this to the side and look at the main product, our power bank. Okay guys, this is our Sony power bank. Let's take it out. What an electronic beauty. This power bank is so awesome in the real life. There is also a cycle energy branding at the bottom and the Sony logo of course. On the top, there is a 5V DC in micro USB jack, indicator lights, an on-off switch and a USB-A port. There are some information written on the backside, like the capacity of the battery, the certifications, etc. As you can see, the battery is pre-charged to 50%. Now let us test the power bank with the included micro USB cable. Let's connect it to the USB-A port of the power bank and the other end to the smartphone. We need to turn on the power bank. As you can see, the power bank is working and the phone started to charge. However, the smartphone is saying that we are charging using AC, but we are just using a DC power bank. So our power bank is working as expected. We can also manually turn off the power bank without removing the USB cable. That's a good touch. Also the battery remaining indicators turn off after we connect our smartphone. Now let's reverse the test and charge the power bank. As you can see, the power bank is started to charge. As you guys may wondered, we are also doing another test. That means pass-through charging, which means that we can charge the smartphone while charging the power bank. This is a feature found on some expensive power banks. But let us test this on the Sony power bank. As you can see, we cannot pass through charge the Sony power bank. I don't know why, but because on the package it seems that there's an icon called pass through charging, but the power bank isn't capable of this. I think this is only the disadvantage of this power bank. In every other ways, I like this power bank. Okay guys, that's our review of the Sony CP-V10 10,000 mAh power bank. I hope you liked it. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel. This encourages me to make more awesome videos like this. Thanks for watching.